Hi, my beautiful ladies. I hope you are all doing well. In this video, we are going to talk about the simple but necessary formula that can help anybody, including you, to have healthy and beautiful hair. We are going to talk about 4 things that are necessary. You may have heard so many things at this point about natural curly or afro hair, or you may have been doing what you can to take care of your hair without success, or you may just don't really know for sure what is best for your hair and what to do for your hair with all the information that is available out there. If so, let me tell you, this video is just for you. It will serve you as a guide or even a reminder. One thing for sure, if you do follow this formula, you will have a successful hair journey. The first thing that is important is consistency, aka having a regular hair routine. You may be like, yeah, I know. I have heard this a million times before. But wait, hear me out. Consistency in hair care routine is crucial for several reasons. When you are consistent, you will have healthier hair because regular care helps maintain the health of your hair by ensuring it gets the necessary nutrients and moisture. This can prevent issues like dryness, breakage, and split ends. And when you can resist dryness, breakage, and split ends, you will, have healthier hair and even longer hair. Consistency also helps to have predictable results. Consistency allows you to understand how your hair responds to different products and treatments. This makes it easier to achieve and maintain your desired look. A consistent routine helps keep your scalp clean and balanced, which is essential for healthy hair growth. So, being consistent with your hair care routine can also prevent issues like dandruff and scalp irritation. When you have a set routine, you become more efficient in managing your hair. This can save you time and reduce the stress of figuring out what to do each day. And just like with skincare, the benefits of a consistent hair care routine accumulate over time. Regular care can lead to stronger, shinier, and more resilient hair in the long run. For many people, hair care is not just about aesthetics, but also about cultural identity and personal expression. Consistency in your routine can help you honor and maintain these aspects. So instead of just thinking about consistency as just doing your hair care routine regularly, think about the real reasons why consistency with the good habits is crucial for your hair health. The first thing you need to work on is consistency. The second thing that is important is patience. Are you a patient person? I hope you are, but I also know that nowadays few people are patient. In fact, most people want what they want to arrive to them quickly. Are you one of these people? If so, I encourage you to consider what I am going to share with you. Patience is a key ingredient in any effective hair care routine for several reasons. Hair grows at an average rate of about half an inch per month. Seeing significant length or changes in hair health requires time and consistent care. Many hair care products, especially those aimed at repairing damage or promoting growth, need time to show results. Patience allows you to give these products a fair chance to work. Finding the right products and routines for your hair often involves some experimentation. Patience helps you navigate this process without getting frustrated or giving up too soon. Developing a consistent hair care routine is a habit that takes time to build. Patience ensures you stick with it long enough to see the benefits. Being patient with your hair care journey can reduce stress and anxiety. Accepting that good things take time can make the process more enjoyable and less of a chore. Many traditional hair care practices from different cultures emphasize rituals and routines that require patience. Embracing these practices can be a way to connect with cultural heritage and personal identity. For example, since the beginning of the year, we have been visiting several countries and the hair care habits of the women of these countries. So many of these women have healthy, beautiful hair because they are patient with their hair. By the way, you and I can see when somebody is not patient enough with their hair. They tend to do things that are not good for their hair. It can be the use of quick fixes and having bad habits for their hair, where they are focused on the appearance and not the actual health of their hair. So the second thing that is important for you to work on is patience. Now, the third thing that is important is love. Love plays a significant role in hair care for several reasons. Developing a loving relationship with your hair can transform how you see and treat it. Instead of viewing hair care as a chore, it becomes a positive and nurturing experience. Loving your hair means accepting it in its natural state. This acceptance can lead to a healthier relationship with your hair, reducing the urge to constantly change or damage it to fit societal standards. When you love your hair, you feel more confident and comfortable in your own skin. This confidence can positively impact other areas of your life, from social interactions to professional settings. Love encourages patience. When you love your hair, you're more likely to invest the time and effort needed to care for it properly. This includes using the right products, following a consistent routine, and avoiding harmful practices. Hair is often a significant part of cultural and personal identity. Loving your hair can be a way to honor and celebrate your heritage and individuality. Taking the time to care for your hair can be a form of self-love and self-care. It can be a relaxing and enjoyable process that contributes to your overall mental well-being. So, the third thing that you need to work on is loving your hair, okay? Now, let's see. The fourth thing that is important is using good products. Using good products is essential for natural hair for several reasons. And now I'm talking about using good products, but not necessarily about using expensive products. You may be using good products that are not necessarily expensive, okay? Natural hair tends to be more prone to dryness. Quality products help retain moisture, keeping your hair hydrated and preventing breakage. Good products often contain natural ingredients like shea butter, coconut oil, olive oil, aloe vera, and other good stuff for your hair, which provide essential nutrients that strengthen and nourish your hair. Many commercial hair products contain sulfates, parabens, and other harsh chemicals that can strip your hair of its natural oils, leading to dryness and damage. Natural products are gentler and safer for your hair and scalp. Quality hair care products can promote healthy hair growth by maintaining a healthy scalp environment and reducing issues like dandruff and scalp irritation. Many natural hair care brands are committed to being eco-friendly and cruelty-free, which means they are better for the environment and do not involve animal testing. By choosing good products, you ensure that your natural hair remains healthy, strong, and beautiful. Okay? So here it is. If you want to start somewhere with your hair journey, you can start with these 4 things: consistency, patience, love, and good products. Okay? And I could even tell you this is all you really need. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Take care, my beautiful ladies.